Greetings. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all to the first ever virtual annual sports meet of St. Anandram Jaipuriya School, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the chief guest of the day, a renowned Indian hockey player and a proud Olympian, Honorable Dr. Ashok Dhyan Chandji. As the school celebrates its annual sports meet, I feel highly grateful to you, sir, for accepting the invitation and gracing the occasion with your virtual presence. Dhyan is an acclaimed sportsman and a widely accredited as one of the legends in the Indian hockey. An Arjuna awardee in 1974, he holds to his credit India's lone triumph in the World Cup. I truly feel honored, sir, that the sportsmen of your cadre have the power to set the pulse racing and the spirits soaring as we host the annual meet 2021. A cordial welcome, sir. I extend a heartfelt welcome to a man of eminence and distinction, esteemed chairman, Shri Shishir Jaipuria, senior advisor, respected Mr. Vinod Malhotra, and director school, Mr. Harish Sanduja, principals of our core and partnering schools, eminent dignitaries from the field of education, dear parents, students, and all our guests who are witnessing this program live on Facebook and YouTube. Well, I feel nostalgic when in 2004, we had our first signature event of the sports day as a sports day of the school. Today, we stand tall with numerous laurels in all spheres of education and sport and rank as #1 school in Ghaziabad. Our students have made mark at the national level in academics, with students securing All India rank 1 and 2 in CBSE for 2 consecutive years. And also students have showcased their caliber in the sporting arena in international and national achievements. The annual sports meet over the years raised its bar and became a 2-day gala event with innumerable track and field events in the past 16 years. We had the honor of welcoming some of the renowned personalities from the sporting arena, like Mr. Abhinav Bindra, Mr. Baiching Bhutia, Ms. Anju Bobby George, Mohammad Azharuddin ji, the great Khali, to name a few, and their presence added the spark to the highly spirited event of the school. It has been the vision of our venerated chairman, Shri Shishir Jaipuria ji, to provide an all-round holistic learning that becomes an enjoyable experience for the children. This academic year, though majorly online, has been with plethora of rewarding activities and experiences. We have made earnest initiatives to enhance literacy, numeracy skills of students, taken up design thinking challenges during pandemic, build upon the social emotion skills of the student, enhance digital erudition by becoming Microsoft Showcase School, earned a 3-star rating and vying for a 5-star rating in Khelo India, an initiative by the Ministry of Sports and Games. We are blessed to have an excellent assemblage of 12 in-house coaches who are masters in their sports and nurture each and every student with the inherent talent. Our students have made us proud with their accomplishments, and I would like to share few of them through this platform. For making a mark in the Guinness Book of World Record for skating, Shivalik Tyagi, Ansh Dhawan, Snehal Shrivastava secured gold medal in International Speed Skating Championship held at Thailand. Arnav Panwar of class 6th secured the first place in Uttar Pradesh TT Championship under 12 boys. Utkarsh Tyagi of class 11th has signed a 2-year contract with the football club to represent Indian Soccer League. Students have brought laurels and won the first Indo-Nepal Karate Championship. On the national front, our children were the proud recipients of, and some of the winners are, Bhumika Shreyanshi participated in SGFI Basketball National Championship. Naman Allahabad, Aditya, and Satyam Katara were the runners-up in CBSE Basketball National Championship. Tusra Naman was selected in UP state team in BCCI Cricket Nationals. Avneet Tripathi was placed in the 81st Cadet and Sub-Junior National Championship at Himachal Pradesh. Anushka Jain, Aditi Yadav, Vatsala, Ekta Yadav were selected in UP shooting ball team and secured third position in the Juniors Shooting Ball National Championship at Punjab. Students also participated in the first pandemic Warrior Karate Tournament Championship and in the Delhi State Online Taekwondo Championship, to name a few. At the inter-school level, Shreya Tripathi won the cash prize of 5,000 rupees under the banner of Heritage Badminton Academy, and Trisha Chaudhary ranked 1 at the International Yoga Championship at Indus Valley School, Noida. Believe me when I say that even the pandemic did not deter our budding sportsmen from making their mark in all spheres. Keeping abreast with the Fit India mantra, during the unprecedented times, we celebrated International Yoga Day virtually with the entire staff and parents participating from their homes along with the students. Under the umbrella of Khelo India School Edition, a national program for development of sports by Government of India, around 2,000 students actively participated in the Fit India Week, in which the school as well as the participants received certificates of recognition from the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Jaipuria School celebrated Fit India Week, conducted a cyclothon, and the entire sports department hosted a variety of events for the students online. All this kept us in the limelight too, with the achievements of the students being published in the columns of national newspaper. All this accomplishment would not have been possible without the significant contribution of our physical education department under the proficient leadership of Mr. Rajiv Kumar. At this juncture, I take this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation to the Vice Principal, Ms. Visu Prabha, Headmistresses, Mrs. Indu Kohli and Sonal Srivastav, for organizing the sports event. I express my good wishes and good luck for the flamboyant success of this virtual event. And I would like to conclude with a great thought for all the children listening out there. The 5 S of sports are stamina, speed, strength, skill, and spirit. But the greatest of these is the spirit. And it is this spirit that paves the way for the success in all domains of life. Always keep that spirit up and reach for the sky. Thank you for your attention. And once again, a very, very cordial welcome to all to this virtual annual sports meet of St. Anandram Jaipuria School, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad.